What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you saw by the title, I have a little unboxing for you guys. Yes, I definitely do. Today's one is going to be a quick one because it's a very small item. Okay, let me not say very small because that would be quite insensitive to somebody else if it was a big item to somebody else. So scratch that, okay, rewind that, replay it. Let's move on. So it is an item from Bleu. Yes, in my last unboxing I did say that I took some time off at Louis Vuitton and ventured into Chanel waters, which I do have some other items, but I'm not sharing them right now because I'm just not. But I just don't like unboxing everything because I don't know. I just feel like not everything needs to be unboxing. I mean, let me know what you think in the comments down below, but that's just how I feel. So I don't unbox everything on my channel, and honestly it takes me a very long time to unbox something because I don't know what's wrong with me. But before I go ahead and unbox this item, if you're new to my channel, then hi, hello, I'm Adeela, nice to meet you. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, then honestly I don't really know what you're thinking. Okay, you can definitely take the time to subscribe to my channel right now. I can wait for you to do it. Yes, I can. 1, 2, 3. Hing-a-ling. And if you are a returning subscriber, then thank you for coming back. I appreciate you also. So it's actually a little bit of a strain for me to sing at the moment, so unfortunately I'm gonna have to skip that one for this video and I'm just gonna hum it for you. Okay, that's what we're doing for this one. I apologize in advance, but you can probably hear it in my voice as I'm speaking. It's not it. Okay, I need some lemon, ginger and honey. Okay, because the voice is suffering. So I apologise, okay? I apologise, but nevertheless, let's unbox. Alright, so typical situation, orange box, blue pulley thing. Okay, what have we got in here? The ribbon is in here. Okay, ribbon and gift card appears to be inside the box, fine. Dust bag, SLG, as you can see. Ta-da, here you go. Let's flip it open. Here we have the Damier Ebene 6 key holder. As you guys know or don't know, if you're new to my channel, I recently, some time ago, bought the 4 key holders. Okay, I bought like 3 or 4 of them because your girl thought that she needed that many, I don't know. But yes, I bought a number of them in all the prints. Having had the dilemma of deciding between the 4 key and the 6 key, I figured that I only needed the 4 key for my house key, so I needed the 6 key for my car key. Well, I have car keys, but you can only house 1 key, so I need to figure out the rest of that situation. So yeah, this is the Damier Ebene print. You know what? I feel like they should have made the interior red on this one because most Damier Ebene pieces are, have a red interior, but of course this doesn't. Actually, while it's housing keys, maybe it wouldn't make much sense to do that because then you'd see the scratches. This is it. It has a little pop snap button. This is the interior. So here again, as I mentioned, you can house 6 keys in here. Etc, etc. It is a 1-piece wraparound, and the benefit to this one versus the 4 key, you can hold like cards in this middle section right here. I will run through all those details and show you how I will be using this. I mean, it's pretty obvious, I'll have my keys in there, but I will run into details of this item, and then I will probably compare this to the 4-key holder for anybody that is interested in watching that video. If you are interested in this piece or you have any questions, etc, etc, definitely leave them down below, so I know what you guys want to see in the video that I filmed for this. Various different reasons as to why I would film the video. So I know this piece isn't going to be exciting to everyone, but it's actually an essential piece for me. But yeah, so I think that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then definitely give it a thumbs up. As always, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then definitely subscribe. Join us over here in the beauty community, and if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow me. My handle is my name @Adeela. So yes, follow me there. Send me a DM, that type of thing. And if you haven't had enough, then definitely click this video right here, or maybe this one down here. Stay with me for a little bit longer. Catch up on some of my previous videos. Other than that, I will love you and leave you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.